going into Jim's. This is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
This dude will. This dude will.
See, they're willing to
Oh,
help
we
you
got
out.
good sports over there.
Get down there. You're gonna do it. Yes, you are. Do it.
Okay, start singing.
Ready?
That's you.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, he had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, yippee! They lived and let poor Rudolph, he'll go down in history. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.